Okay, so we're going to separate the variables here, as we've done previously. And here, the bracket squared will take over to the side, so it'll be 1 over v plus 9 all squared. The integral of that with respect to v, and then take the dt over the other side. Okay, now when I integrate this, because it's this linear term in that bracket, okay, the highest power there is 1, because it's v plus 9, I can take the bracket up. Okay, so it'll be v plus 9 to the power minus 2. So we saw this earlier. So it's a standard maths unit result then. Okay, so what we do then is we add 1 to the power. So it becomes the power minus 1. And divide by that new power. And times by the derivative there, which is just 1. Okay, and that will equal to then, on this side we've got 1 there, integral with respect to t is going to be t, plus then the constant. Okay, so before I sub in the values here, let's just tidy this up a bit, put the minus in front, and it is 1 times 1, which is 1, v plus 9 all to the power minus 1, so because it's a negative power, we can take it back down, and it'll be power 1 on the bottom, positive 1, so I'll just put v plus 9, okay. So then, we've got, when t is 0, v is 0, okay. So you just sub that in, and, well, on this side, you'll just have minus 1 over 0 plus 9 is equal to 0 plus c, okay, which implies then that c is equal to minus 1/9. So therefore, we've got minus 1 over v plus 9 is equal to, what have we got, t minus 1/9. Okay. Now what I'd be tempted to do here now to make this simpler is to, first of all, this, because we've got two negative terms here, let's times through by minus 1. Okay. So I'll have, so I'll make that positive, so that'll be 1 over v plus 9. This will become negative, minus t. That will become positive, plus 1/9. The other thing we could do then is times through by 9. So if I do that, times through by 9, well, if I times this by 9, it just becomes 9 over v plus 9. This becomes minus 9t. And if I times that by 9, it just becomes 1. Okay, so I've got then, well, let's rewrite that then as 9, v plus 9 equals to 1 minus 9t. So let's just swap them around just to make it a bit easier to see there, easier to write. Now remember, I want to get v equals, so perhaps the next step I could do now is flip this. Okay, so I can write the reciprocal of it, v plus 9 over 9. But if I flip that side, I also have to flip this side as well. So remember now, 1 minus 90 is the same as 1 minus 90 over 1. So that'll be 1 over 1 minus 90. Then we're dividing by 9 here, so take that 9 up. So it'll be v plus 9 is equal to, if I take that up there, I'm going to times, so 9 over 1 minus 90. And then to finish off, I just need to take that 9 over. So I'll have v equals to 9 over 1 minus 90 minus 9. So there's my result there for v in terms of t.